Hey everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we're taking a virtual journey to the bustling city of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Here, nestled within the affluent Damansara Heights neighborhood, lies a stunning modern home, Sea House. This architectural gem is a perfect blend of contemporary design and tropical living. Sea House is more than just a dwelling. It's a testament to forward-thinking design and the evolving needs of modern families. The young couple who commissioned this home wanted a space that could accommodate their growing family, as well as their elderly parents. The architects responded by creating a flexible and adaptable living space that incorporates principles of feng shui. Inspired by the tropical climate, Sea House prioritizes natural ventilation and daylighting. The architects used a clever strategy of shifting boxes to create a covered veranda and a terrace, allowing for cross-ventilation and shade. The use of large windows and sliding doors further enhances the indoor-outdoor connection. The house is thoughtfully organized into public and private zones. The social areas, including the living, dining, and kitchen spaces, are located on the ground floor and are easily accessible from the entrance. The private bedrooms and family areas are situated on the upper level, offering privacy and tranquility. Sustainability is a key aspect of Sea House. The architects incorporated energy-efficient features, such as natural ventilation and shading devices, to minimize the house's environmental impact. The use of high-quality materials and thoughtful design create a comfortable and healthy living environment. Sea House is a perfect example of how modern architecture can adapt to the tropical climate and meet the needs of contemporary families. The architects have created a home that is both stylish and functional, offering a high quality of life for its inhabitants. Sea House is a true inspiration for those seeking to build a modern and functional family home. It's a place where you can entertain guests, relax with family, and enjoy the tropical lifestyle. What do you think of this remarkable home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring architectural explorations.